Y'all, I am 36 now, and honestly, that still feels a little wild to say out loud, especially because I started this YouTube channel when I was just 20 years old. And of course, a lot has changed since then, and naturally, my priorities have shifted a lot. Every season of life looks a little different, and in this season, there are a few things that I am being more intentional about. So, I wanted to share those things with you. If you're new here, hi and welcome. I would love for you to subscribe, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So the first thing I've really been trying to prioritize in this season is my health. It's one of those things where I can do really well for a while and then life gets busy and I end up letting it slip a little. But as I'm getting older, I am really trying to be more consistent with it. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, that has not been easy for me, especially in this current season of life. And I've realized that taking care of my health is about so much more than just my weight. It's my energy, my sleep, my hormones, my mental clarity, all of it. Because if I'm not feeling my best, it really affects how I show up in every area of my life. And one thing I've been focusing on lately is paying attention to my health and how I feel, not just brushing things off as, oh, I'm getting older or being a busy mom. And you guys may remember in the past, I mentioned using MIDI Health, and I've continued using the platform because it's been a really convenient way for me to get support and ask questions without having to completely rearrange my schedule. And lately, I've been noticing things like brain fog, overthinking, and low energy levels. And to someone who's typically pretty on top of things, I've just started paying attention to those changes and wondering if there could be something more going on. And for me, this season is really about being proactive and creating routines and habits that help me feel my best physically and mentally. During my visit, I was able to talk through the symptoms and concerns I had been experiencing, and together we came up with a plan that made sense for me. And I really appreciated that the conversation felt personalized to what I was experiencing and where I am right now in life. And I love that MIDI Health focuses specifically on women's health, and they offer support for things like hormonal changes, perimenopause, and menopause, all of which can affect so many areas of how we feel. And for me, it's always reassuring to have a place where I can ask questions and get guidance and feel like I have a plan moving forward instead of just wondering what's going on and if what I'm experiencing is normal. So if you've been noticing changes in how you're feeling and have been putting off getting answers, I would definitely recommend checking out MIDI Health. I have a little bit more information linked below if you want to learn more and see if it might be a good fit for you. So one thing I've always prioritized is my family and being present with them. But now as a 36-year-old mom of three, I do feel like it takes a little more intention than it used to, but it's always something that I'm really mindful of. And I think it's especially important for me because social media is a part of my career. And with a job like this, it can be really easy not to know when to shut it off. It can very easily start to take up more space than you want it to if you let it. So for me, it's always been really important to find a balance between showing up online and still being fully present in my real life without feeling like I have to overshare every part of it. And my kids are so important to me, and being a good mom is something I take very seriously, and I genuinely enjoy spending time with them and being intentional about the moments that we share. So whether that's keeping them in activities, spending quality time together, or just being present in the everyday moments, I really want them to feel supported and poured into. And while I know I'm never going to do that perfectly, I do try to be mindful of creating little moments with them that feel intentional and meaningful, not always having my phone out, not always putting a camera in their face, and just making sure that I'm truly there with them in the moments that matter. Y'all already know I do not play when it comes to keeping my house clean. It's always been something that I've prioritized because I really don't function well in a space that feels cluttered or chaotic. I truly feel like if your space is cluttered, your mind can start to feel cluttered too. And because I work from home, it's even more important for me to make sure that my environment feels clean, calm, and put together. When my home feels out of order, I immediately can feel it mentally. So having routines in place really help me stay on top of things, and it makes a big difference. I'm also a firm believer in being a good steward over what God has already given you. And for me, that includes taking care of my home and not waiting until everything is completely out of control before I do something about it. I want to take care of the space that we've been blessed with, and I really want our home to feel good for the people living in it. So I really like to keep little routines in rotation that help me stay ahead of things. So I like to do a load a day, and that really keeps the pals away. And I also like to do a power hour, and this just really helps reset the home throughout the day so that everything doesn't pile up all at once. And those little habits really do help our home run smoother and feel a lot more manageable. And thankfully, Colton already knows this is something that's important to me, so he is very much on board too, and it really just helps make sure that our space stays nice and tidy. And in this season, I've been prioritizing protecting my peace. The older I get, the more I realize that I can't say yes to everything, do everything, be everything for everybody, and still expect to feel my best. So I've really been trying to be more mindful of my energy, my time, and the things that help me feel grounded. Protecting my peace also means making space for little things that bring me joy. So whether that's planting flowers, going for a walk, or just making time for little things that bring me joy, I've learned that those moments really do help protect my peace, because when I'm constantly pouring into everything and everybody else without paying attention to my own mental and emotional well-being, I end up feeling so drained. So in this season, protecting my peace has looked like being a little more mindful of my boundaries, my time, and the things that genuinely help me feel good and grounded. And in this season, I've also been prioritizing my relationship with God. God has always been a priority in my life, and prayer has been a big part of that. And as I've gotten older, I've really been trying to be more intentional about my relationship with God and what it looks like beyond just religion, because y'all know it can be really easy to get caught up in the religious side of things. But for me, it's been more about getting to know God for myself, talking to God honestly, asking for clarity, and creating space to stay connected in a way that feels real. So in this season, that's looked like slowing down, praying more intentionally, and just making sure I'm creating space for God in the middle of everything else life can bring. And as a 36-year-old mom of 3 who's also married, I've learned that you really do have to be intentional when it comes to pouring into your marriage, especially when you have kids. So we try to do date nights when we can, but with the busyness of everyday life, it's not always realistic. So for us, it's also about finding little ways to be intentional at home too. So whether that's cuddling up on the couch with our favorite snacks and watching a movie, or just sitting outside and talking after the kids go to bed, that's just really a time for us to connect without the distractions of everyday life. So those are just a few things that I've been trying to prioritize in this season of life. I definitely don't have it all figured out, but I do think the older I get, the more I realize how important it is to be intentional about the things that matter most to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out today's sponsor, MIDI Health. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!